I just boiled some, I don't know if I put 5 or 6 of this bottle. Because our faucet here, we cannot really drink the water, so we need to buy water all the time. But anyway, so once this one is boiling, I will lower down the temperature. Right now, just because I want to boil it fast. Because the water's kind of, you need to be boiled first before you put this in. So the other plate is in the table. I just let this out. And I'm just gonna use this one. I got another one over here. I just use this if I'm all done with the other one. Because usually it's nice without the sweetened one. But anyway, dusty. I need to wash the dishes yet. See. Anyway, I got this. So once it cook over here, and I will put in this coconut, cover up. I need to get some pork. But anyway, I got the sesame seeds. It's kind of warm yet, so I'm just gonna remove the cover for now. It's kind of hot yet. See, I just roasted that, so I got the sugar, and so I just use you can buy this at Walmart, the unsweetened coconut milk, coconut flakes. So I got this is the glutinous rice with YEMA glutinous rice balls with YEMA. So it's kind of boiling a little bit now. So and then I just lower down the heat once it's boiled, because so when I put it, it will sink, and then you just keep moving them around, and then once it float, that means cook. Before, guys, I used this deep pots, but I donated long time ago before I went to the camper van. I like those big one, but someday get a nice pot. Anyway, so that's kinda, I just put a fast one right now. Dirty the kitchen, guys, sorry about it, because been cooking. Anyway, I'm just it's kinda boiling, so I'm just gonna lower. Then I just put medium after that, because you don't wanna really, because this one is not really like the deep pot, just like it's not so deep pot. So see, just like that. So you don't want to melt the YEMA so much. And then back then I have really runny thing, but anyway, hopefully it's kind of boiled now. I can't wait. I need to put medium now, and then just gonna, hopefully, sometimes you need to have 2 hands too. I just gonna try it out, and then I have my 2 hands later, and you make sure that you don't see the, ow, ouch. I don't wanna so high, because then you don't wanna melt the YEMA inside. They get runny after that. So I just so that I can cook them faster, guys. So that's why I need to put more, because but I don't wanna like overflow. I don't know if I forgot now, because I've been cook. So just be careful, because I just missed the snacks. Okay, maybe that's good. I'm just gonna use the to just move around. I hopefully they float, guys. If they float in top, that means coke ba? So, at least I finish this. The more you pour it, because this is a wide pan anyway, so I just gonna move them around, guys, so that it will cook evenly, just slowly. I like this wooden spatula. The plastic got grind by the blender, so that's why get broken. I just put in a medium because if you put too high, then they're closer to the pots. So, like, they're nice if you have that deep pots, you know. So, okay, I'm just gonna keep making. We have the coconut ready, then sweetener. This is a glutinous rice with YEMA balls. We call it PALITAW. PALITAW in Philippines. And to get those supposed to be the strainers. Okay, see.